Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of ripe, juicy tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium onion. Also, have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of sugar ready. Don't forget 500 milliliters of vegetable broth and some fresh basil for that perfect finish. These simple items are the foundation for a truly delicious soup. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped garlic and onion. Sauté them gently for about 5 minutes until they become soft and fragrant. Next, stir in your chopped tomatoes and the 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps balance the acidity of the tomatoes, enhancing their natural sweetness for a richer flavor. It's time to bring everything together. Pour in the 500 milliliters of vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the tomatoes to become very soft. Once simmered, carefully use an immersion blender to blend the soup until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Be cautious, as it will be hot. For the final touches, season your beautifully blended soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Give it a gentle reheat if needed, then ladle it into bowls. Garnish generously with fresh basil leaves for a burst of color and aroma. This homemade tomato soup is truly comforting. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.